Creating professional YouTube thumbnails used to require design skills and expensive software. But today, AI tools can help you create eye-catching thumbnails in just few minutes. Even if you have never designed anything before, you can still create thumbnails that look clean and professional. In this video, I will show you how to create YouTube thumbnails using Canva's free AI tools. This is a beginner-friendly method that anyone can follow. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you grow faster with smart tools. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description to try Canva for free. By using the description link, any available offer that will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. The first step is creating a free Canva account if you don't already have one. After signing in, look for this Canva AI and go to this tab. Now simply click on this image and change the quality, which one you want. Let's say I want the premium, and change the aspect ratio for the YouTube thumbnail, and that is 16:9. After that, if you want, then you can change the style, but I am keeping as it is. Now write a simple prompt describing the thumbnail you want. For example, if your video is about top 10 AI designing tools, then you can write make a thumbnail for top 10 AI designing tool. Use icons and text only. Since I want to keep it clean, so I just give this prompt, use icon and text only. Follow design rules and hierarchy so that it can make the design look professional. And after that, just click on this submit. By the way, the more detail you will give, the result will be more professional. Now the AI will generate several images based on your prompt. Choose the one that you like most and you can add it to your thumbnail canvas. Let's say I like this one. Now if you want to change anything or add something, then you can click on this chat and simply just write about the changes what you want. If you want, then you can add icons, logos, arrows or simple design elements so that it can explain the topic. Make sure the main image, text and important elements are clearly visible even when the thumbnail appears small on YouTube. One useful trick is to focus on single idea. Instead of trying to explain the entire video in the thumbnail, highlight the most interesting part. This makes people more likely to click. So once you're happy with the design, just click on this download button here and export the thumbnail as a JPEG or PNG. And as you can see, your thumbnail is ready to upload on YouTube. The great thing about Canva is that beginners can create thumbnails very quickly without learning Photoshop or other advanced design softwares. The AI helps to generate visual while Canva's editor makes customization simple. As you create more thumbnails, you will start learning what styles, layouts, and text combinations work best for your channel and audience. And that brings us to the end of this quick tutorial. Now you know how to create YouTube thumbnails with AI using Canva's free tools. Thank you so much for watching Easy Access Tech. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe this channel and check the description link for useful resources. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.